Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel CS with Rahul. In today's video, I am going to cover one important question which is related to the string joining. So why I am covering this question? Because if you want to join a particular list of string into a single string to show as a output or in a specific format you want to show. So that's why I'm covering so that you will get to know that how can we use. So our question would be looking like this, that we have some list of string and we have to join this string as open square bracket, closed square bracket and separator as a delimiter. So whatever you want, in which format you want, you can do it, right? But we will see that how can we do it by the joining method. So without delay, let's get started. So before that, let me tell you that I have created the video in English medium as well as in the Hindi medium itself. In both the medium, both the languages, I am creating the video so that any of the student who is not comfortable in any other language, means like Hindi student cannot be comfortable for the English language and English student cannot be comfortable for the Hindi one. So whatever is your comfortable language, you can go to my playlist and you can watch the video from there. As well as I have created some concept related questions so that you can sort YouTube sorts so that you can revise it through it. It is completely in Hindi till now, but slowly I will be covering those in the English also. So let's move to our question, that what we have. Our question is that we have one list of string and that we need to convert it into the single string. So let me first create the string list of string. Let me create first string list of string. This is very simple question, guys. You don't need to take any worries, but just be till last of the video. Then we will see that how can we do this task, right? So let me do this and see here I am creating one string arrays dot as list, like I am creating Facebook, Twitter, means whatever I have taken there in the question slide, that the same thing I am taking. Facebook, I am taking that, Twitter, I am taking something, means whatever the social medias are there, right? So that I am taking here as an array list. Facebook, then comma, this is list, guys. We are going to convert it into the single string, right? Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, then Gmail, or any social media app or anything, right? Gmail, Twitter here I am going to take. Twitter. So this is our string, right? So what we have to do, we have to convert this string using the delimiter as what? Using the delimiter as comma. We have to separate it through the comma, because currently this is string, and after that, before and after, we have to, in prefix and suffix, we have to provide square brackets, right? Means we need to print it in the array format. So how can we do? Let's see. First of all, let me create, as we are using the Java 8, right? So list of strings I am using here, and after that I am creating the stream. After creating the stream, what we need to do, after creating the stream, we just have to call the collect method, right? We don't need to do anything, we have to call the collect method. Here I am calling the collect method, collect collectors dot, we have one method here in collectors class which is joining, right? Which is joining, which will join the string. So first of all, we have to provide three parameters. Like first I am providing here the comma, and after that I am providing the open square bracket. Means first one is the delimiter, means whatever the separator would be there, that is the delimiter, right? After that, what you have to prefix starting the video, starting the string, and after that you have to provide the postfix, means after the string what you need to do. That's it, nothing you have to do, and this will generate a single string. So we are storing it result string. Inside the result string I am storing it. Let's just print it. This is very easy question. System.out.println, right here, result string I am printing directly. Let me right click here. This is just about the string joining method, right? Let me right click and you can see the video. You can see the output like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Gmail, Twitter, whatever the string you have been provided as a list, now it is converted as a single list, right? So whatever the operation you want to do after this, you can do it from here, right? So I hope guys, this is very easy question. So I hope you got this point that how can you do this? How can you join the string? There is nothing much, right? So if you like this video, do hit the like button, share this video to your friends, comment it. If you have any doubt or you want to cover me some more questions, then comment it. Subscribe my channel. If you will subscribe it, then it will motivate me to make more videos, to take new questions, new ideas, right? Press the bell icon so that you will get the notification for the updated videos. Next we will meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep watching, keep coding.